Are you tired of eating the same boring diet food every day? Want to lose weight and enjoy what's on your plate? Then stay with me, because today, I'm showing you exactly what to cook and how to cook delicious, healthy meals that help you burn fat, stay full, and transform your body, without starving. Why meal prep matters. Let's begin with the truth. Losing weight starts in the kitchen. What you cook, and how you cook it, determines everything. Healthy meal prep is not about eating bland chicken and steamed broccoli every day. It's about creating nutrient-rich, flavorful meals using smart ingredients and smart cooking techniques that support your metabolism and keep you energized all day. So let's dive into the meals, what to make, and how to make them. Breakfast, metabolism boosting start. Meal 1, oatmeal with chia and berries. This is a power-packed breakfast. Rolled oats. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. A handful of mixed berries. Cinnamon plus almond milk. How to cook it: boil the oats in almond milk, add cinnamon, then stir in chia seeds and top with berries. Ready in 7 minutes. Why it works: chia seeds are high in fiber and help control cravings. Berries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. This combo fuels your morning, keeps you full, and supports fat burning. Egg and veggie muffins, meal prep friendly. 6 eggs. Chopped spinach, bell pepper, onion. Salt, pepper, chili flakes. Muffin tray. How to cook it: mix everything in a bowl, pour into muffin tray, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Store for the week, grab and go breakfast that's high in protein and keeps you satisfied. Lunch, light, lean and satisfying. Meal 3, grilled chicken quinoa bowl, grilled chicken breast. Quinoa. Cucumber, cherry tomatoes, lettuce. Olive oil plus lemon dressing. How to cook it: cook quinoa like rice. Grill chicken with spices like paprika, garlic, and black pepper. Assemble in a bowl with chopped veggies and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Why it works: balanced macros, protein, fiber, healthy fat. Keeps blood sugar stable and metabolism active. Meal 4, lentil soup with veggies. Red lentils. Onion, garlic, carrots, celery. Turmeric, cumin, black pepper. Vegetable broth. How to cook it: sauté onion and garlic, add chopped veggies, spices, lentils, and broth. Simmer for 25 minutes. This is a low-calorie, high-fiber meal that keeps you full for hours and improves digestion. Dinner, light but nourishing. Meal 5, stir-fried tofu and veggies with brown rice. Firm tofu, cubed. Broccoli, bell peppers, carrots. Soy sauce, garlic, ginger. Brown rice. How to cook it: sauté tofu until golden. Stir-fry veggies with garlic and ginger. Add tofu back, splash of soy sauce. Serve over brown rice. This dinner is plant-based, protein-rich, and gut-friendly. Brown rice adds slow-digesting carbs for nighttime satiety. Meal 6, baked salmon with asparagus. 1 salmon fillet. Lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, black pepper. Asparagus or green beans. How to cook it: rub salmon with garlic, lemon, olive oil. Place with asparagus on a tray. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, helps burn fat, reduce inflammation, and improve mood. Great for dinner before bed. Meal 7, snacks, smart, not sugary. Snack 1, Greek yogurt plus walnuts plus honey. High in protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Sweetened naturally. Snack 2, carrot plus hummus. Crunchy, fibrous, with healthy fat from hummus to kill cravings. Snack 3, apple plus peanut butter. Perfect pre/post-workout combo. Just don't overdo the peanut butter, 1 tablespoon is enough. Cooking tips for fat loss success. Use non-stick pans to reduce oil usage. Bake or grill instead of frying. Season with herbs, lemon, spices instead of heavy sauces. Portion control, half veggies, quarter protein, quarter carbs. Use measuring cups when starting out, it helps you stay accurate. Mistakes to avoid. Using too much oil, even olive oil is calorie dense. Skipping meals and binging later. Eating store-bought sauces, often full of sugar and sodium. Believing healthy means flavorless, and oh, healthy can taste amazing. Weekly meal plan, sample. Monday, breakfast, oatmeal. Lunch, quinoa bowl. Dinner, tofu stir-fry. Tuesday, breakfast, egg muffins. Lunch, lentil soup. Dinner, baked salmon. Wednesday, repeat favorite meals, prep ahead. Stick to this kind of plan and you'll notice real change within a week. Eating healthy is not about punishments, it's about power. You're giving your body the tools to heal, energize, and thrive. Start small. Cook one meal a day. Master that. Then grow. Because once you control your kitchen, you control your weight. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more diet hacks that actually work. Comment below, which meal will you try first? You've got this, your healthy life starts today.